First, you need a Windows bootable flash drive and plug bootable USB drives into your computer. Press the power button and the boot key of your computer, same time. You can see the boot manager interface and select our bootable USB flash drive. Now we want to install, and I keep the default. Go to Next. Be careful. Select the partition, delete the partition, and make a new partition for Windows file system. Depending on your computer hardware, they will take 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Like, share, and follow my Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, IT Support Pro. I will make more videos for IT technical support. Select your region or country. I keep the default setup. You can choose your own setup. I don't want to connect Wi-Fi now, but you can connect Wi-Fi or you can connect after. I don't want set a password now, but if you like to set now also can. Almost done our installation. After installation, make sure to check the Windows update and complete the update. Connect your Wi-Fi and go to Windows Update and complete the Windows Update. They will install all new drivers for Windows.